Jai Hind students, welcome to again in live class. Students, hope previous class what we have told you or whatever question we have given as a homework, everyone done? Hope everyone done. So students, today just same exercise 6B from question number 21. Just going to start. So students, keep yourself copy, that is notebook, book and pen. Clear students? Now just going to start students. Now see on your book. Clear? So question number 21. Exercise 6B. Question number 21 there is given x square minus 5x plus 8. X square minus 5x plus 8. Multiply x square plus 2. Multiply x square plus 2. Students, there is similar process whatever we have told. X square multiply x square plus 2 minus 5x multiply x square plus 2 then plus 8 multiply x square plus 2. Students, you can see here x square multiply x square. Power 2 is here and power 2 also here, a same variable. So if same variable, then its exponent and its power will be added. So 2 plus 2, that is 4. X power 4. X square into x square, that is x power 4. Plus 2 and into x square. 2 into x square. So what will come? 2x square. We will write here 2x square minus, now bracket 5. There is no numeric value. We can write here 1. 5 into 1, 5. X into x square. X power 1 is here. Students, x power 1, the same variable. X power 1 into x power 2. 2 plus 1, 3. X power 3 plus 5 into 2, that is 10. But no here variable. So x power 1 as the same will come x plus 8 into x square, 8x square plus 8 to the 16. Again I am telling x square into x square, x power 4, x square into 2, 2x square minus 5x power 1, then 5 into 1, that is 5, x power 1 into x square, x power cube plus 5x 1 into 2, then 10x, 8 into x square and 8 into 2, that is 16. Now understood students, huh? Now we will open the bracket x power 4 plus 2x square, because all is positive. By default is positive, so no sign will change. Here minus sign will change. 5x cube, because by default this is plus. So plus minus, that is minus. Here is plus, then minus 10x. Minus 10x plus 8x square plus 16. Students, you can see here x power 4 plus 2x minus 5x cube. When we have opened the bracket, the sign will change. Minus and plus, that is minus 10x. Now students, you can see here it is in plus, sign will not change. Plus 8x square plus 16. X power 4. What we will see students now? We will check that any we are getting any terms of the x power 4. See here, no anymore. So we will write x power 4 as it. No like terms is here. Plus, now power 4 is here. Now we will see its decreasing order form. Means cube, then square, then x. This way we will see. So now we will see minus 5x cube So here we will write the minus 5x cube. Any place 5x cube, no one is there. Plus 8x square, same we will write. Now terms of the x, plus 2x and one more is here, x form, minus 10x plus 16. Here we can see x power 4 minus 5x cube, 8x square, no any term here, so 8x square, here 2 plus 2x and minus 10x. The students, you know it, values should be same, here same, and 10 is greater than 2. It means the sign of the minus, sign of the 10, it is in minus. So what we will write? Minus 10 minus 2, that is 8x plus 16. Again students, x square into x square, x power 4 plus 2 into x, 2x square minus 5x into x square, 5 into 1, that is 5, x power 1, x power 2, x power 3 plus 5 into 2, 10x, 8 into x square, 8x square plus 8 to the 16. What we have done, now we have opened the bracket, x power 4 plus 2x square, for instance, is given to x square. Then we will see the little bit change here. Then there is 2x square minus 5x cube minus 10x plus 8x square plus 16. What will happen now? X power 4. Now we will write minus 5x cube. Here 5x cube. Then plus 8 plus 2x square plus 8x square minus 10x plus 16. You can check here. X power 4 term only 1 is here. So 1 x power cube, 5x power cube, there only 1 x cube. X square, there are 2 terms, minus 10x plus 16. X power 4, we will write same, no term is here, minus 5x cube, plus 2 plus 8 plus 10x square, minus 10x plus 16. Okay students? Now look at all students. Hope you will note it. Okay. Question number 22. Question number 22, x cube minus 5x square plus 3x plus 1 multiply x square minus 3. Student, what we are saying here, little bit change from the previous. First note it down. Okay. I think note it. Going to the can identify it. There are how many terms is here? X cube, 5x square, 3x plus 1. This is a quadrinomial. Quadrinomials. Monomials, the single term, 2 term binomial, 3 term trinomials, and 4 term they are the quadrinomials. Okay, if 5th, 6th, 7th, these all are known as the polynomials. Clear? So they are different from the previous. This is quadrinomials is given with the multiplied binomials, but process are the same. They are no different. Okay, students. X cube multiply x square minus 3 minus 5x square multiply x square minus 3 plus 3x multiply x square minus 3 plus 1 multiply x square minus 3. Students, here we have taken the x square minus 3 4 times. answer will come. But better, we will start from, we will shift it this. This place should be here and this place on this side. What will happen? This way you can do it, no problem there. This is also, you will get the same answer. What just going to do? Is just shifted here, x square minus 3 multiply x cube minus 5x square plus 3x plus 1. X square, when you write the x square, whole coordinates x cube minus 5x square plus 3x plus 1 minus 3. Now this whole expression minus 5x square plus 3x plus 1. Students, what happened here? We have taken only 2 times this common value, common expression. Here, when we have done this way, what happened there? We have taken 4 times this value. This only different this one. X square into x cube. Variable are same. So 2 plus 3x power 5 minus 1 into 5, then 5 x square into x square, x power 4 plus 1 into 3, that is 3, and x power 1 and x power 2, that is x power 3 plus 1 into 1, that is 1x square, that is x square. It's complete. Minus 3 into x cube, 3x cube, 3 5s are 50, 3 3s are 9x plus 3. What we have done, students? X square, x power cube, x power 5, x square into x square minus 5x power 4, x square into 3x power 1, 3x cube plus 1 into x square will come, minus 3 into x cube, 3x cube, 3 into 5x square, 15x square plus 3 3s are 9x plus 3 1s are 3. Till students understood here? Now next, open the bracket. X power 5 minus 5x power 4 plus 3x cube plus x square. Now minus, now is going to open that bracket. So here the minus sign. Sign will be changed. 3x cube minus will come as a plus 15x square minus plus minus 9x minus plus, that is minus 3. Clear, students? X power 5. Now you will check any place here x power 5 is here? No. So x power 5 only is right here. Now x power 4 only is here. So minus x power 4. Clear? Plus, now x power cube plus 3x power cube. I think this one is as a form of the like terms. So no need, okay, I am writing here because they know any other place. 3x cube also know any other place. This term, x square plus x square minus 3x square plus 15x square. What we will do? The terms, the variable are same. Plus 15x square plus 1x square we can write here. Okay? So 15 plus 1, 16. 16x square. And 16 minus 3, 16 minus 3, 13 plus 13x square. Minus 9x plus minus 3. X power 5, there is no any term is here. X power 5 is right. Minus 5x power, no term is here. So minus 5x power 4 plus 3x cube, also there is no any term. So we are not taking it like term. X square, 3x square, 15, they all have a like terms. But sign is different, plus, minus and then plus. Plus will be plus, 15 plus 1, 16 and 16 minus 3, that is 13. Minus 9x, no term is here and minus 3. Clear, students? So note it down here. Okay students, noted? Okay, taking time students, huh? Again we can repeat it. I think maybe confusion. Huh? Students, maybe confusion. Again I am repeating. Okay, I know that there are few students may be confused. X square multiply x cube minus 5x square plus 3x plus 1. Then minus 3 multiply x cube minus 5x square plus 3x plus 1. Clear? X power 5 now write in hurry minus 5x power 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x, sorry, 1x square, that is x square. Okay? 3x cube minus 15x square, 9x plus 3. What we will do students? Now we will open the bracket. So now going to open the bracket students. X power 5 minus 5x power 4 plus 3x cube plus x square minus 3x x square minus here will be plus 15x square and plus 9x here should be what? Minus is here, plus then minus and again minus 3. Clear students? Okay students, there is a cube form, 3x cube. Clear students? Now x power 5 minus 5x power 4 plus 3x cube then minus 3x cube plus x square plus 15x square minus 9x minus 3. X power 5 no term is here, minus 15x power 4 plus 3 and minus 3 will be cancelled and plus 16x square minus 9x minus 3. It will be your answer. So student, now understood? Clear? Now going to 23 students. Question number 23. 23. Now question number 23 is given 3x, little bit tough this one, 3x plus 2y minus 7, sorry, minus 4. 3x plus 2y minus 4. And the second one, x minus y plus 2. Multiply x minus y plus 2. Also you can see on your book that this same thing are given 3x plus 2y minus 4 multiply x minus y plus 2. Students, this is a little bit different from previous. 3x plus 2y minus 4, this is a trinomial. X minus y plus 2, this is also trinomial. So now we multiply the trinomial to trinomial. So no need to change the place because they all have both of same terms. Okay. So 3x multiply x minus y plus 2 plus 2y x minus y plus 2 minus 4 x minus y plus 2. Here 3x into x power 1, that is the 3x square. Then minus 3x into y, 3xy, plus 3 to the 6x. This is the completed first. Now plus 2y, 2xy, minus 2y square, plus 4y, minus 4x, minus 4y, plus 8. Again students, I am telling here 3x into x, 3x square, then minus 3x into y, 3xy, 3x into 2, 6x, 2y into x, 2xy, 2y into y, 2y square, plus 2 to the 4y. Clear? Minus 4x, then 4y minus and 4 to the 8. Now open the bracket. 3x square minus 3xy plus 6x plus the sign, so no sign will change. 2xy minus 2y square plus 4y minus 4x. Now sign will change, but the outside minus, plus 4y minus 8. Students, now we will find that which one is the value that is greater, x square and the y square. But here no any other like terms is here. So 3x square minus 2y square. Now we have written this one. No one is the square term. Now x, we can use also minus 3xy, minus 3xy any other place, plus 2xy. I think they are two terms. First, second, no one is here. Plus 6x. Plus 6x is here and minus 4x. Two terms. Now 4y plus and plus 4y minus 8. Students, again I am telling. First of all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Your term, what you have got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is equal, but now we will match 3x square minus, this is the 2y we have written. What should write? 2y square. Okay? Because this two term we have taken. Minus 2y square and 3x square. Minus 3xy and plus 2xy. No one. Minus 3xy plus 2xy. Plus 6x, then minus 4x. This one. Plus 6x and minus 4x. Plus 4y, then plus 4y and minus 8. If student you get this confused, you can, with the pencil, you can cancel like this. You are keeping all the values or not? Clear student? 3x square minus 2y square, it will come as it same. 3x square minus 2y square. It is same. Minus 3x to xy plus 2xy. Variable are same. Like terms, so minus 3 plus 2 minus, but what sign will come? Minus, because minus sign is greater. Minus 1xy or minus xy. Plus 6x minus 4x, 6 is greater than 4, so plus 2x. Plus 4y plus 4y, both are in plus, so 8y and minus 8. 3x square minus 2y square minus 3xy plus 2xy, then 1xy or xy. 6x minus 4x, that is 2x. 4y plus 4y, that is 8y, then minus 8. Students, note it down. Just now question number 24. Students, question number 24, I think you will note it down. Question number 24. I'm writing question. X square minus 5x plus 8 multiply x square plus 2x minus 3. X square plus 2x minus 3. I think students, everyone noted. X square multiply x square plus 2x minus 3 minus 5x multiply x square plus 2x minus 3 plus 8 multiply x square plus 2x minus 3. Okay, students, x square into x square, x power 4 plus 2 into 1, that is 2, x power 1 into x power 2, x power 3 minus 3 into 1, that is 3, and x square, there no x value, minus 5x square and 5x minus 5x and x square, x power 1 x square, x power 3, 5x cube plus 5 2s are 10 and x into x square, 5 3s are 15 minus 15x plus 8 into x square, 8x square plus 8 2s are 16x minus 8 3s are 24. Again, students, I am repeating x square into x square, x power 4, x square into 2x, 2x cube, minus 3 into x, 3x square, minus 5x into x square, 5x cube, 5x into 2x, 10x square, x into x square, 5x into minus 3, then minus 15x, 8x into x, 8 and x square, 8x square into 16x minus 8 3 24. So till here students understood. Now going to open the bracket. X power 4 plus 2x cube minus 3x square minus 5x cube. Here the minus sign, so sign will change. 10x square plus 15x plus sign is here, no sign will change. 8x square plus 16x minus 24. Now students, you will arrange as a like terms. X power 4, you can check here. No one is x power 4. Now x cube, 2x cube is here. No one. Should be here x cube. X power 4 plus 2x cube minus 3x square. 1, 2, 3 minus 5x cube is here. Yes, x cube. Minus 10x square plus 15x. Yes, minus 5x square. Okay, we have done this. Minus 3x square, minus 3x square. Again here, we should check. Minus 10x square, minus 10x square, plus 8x square. With the underline, what value we have written? Minus 3x square we have written, minus 10x square plus 8x square. It shows that we have written. Clear? Now plus 15x plus 16x minus 24. Means all the term we have written here. X power 4, 2x cube, minus 5x cube, minus 3x square, minus 10x square, plus 8x square, plus 15x, plus 16x and minus 24. X power 4, you will write as the same, 2x cube minus 5x cube. What will come? Minus the value is greater, so minus 3x cube. Minus 3x square minus 10, minus 13x square. Sorry, 1x square is more here. So minus 13, okay, minus 13x square and plus 8x square. Plus 15x 16 plus 31x minus 24. Here only we will do this. X power 4 minus 3x cube minus 30 and plus 8 minus 5 plus 31x minus 23. Okay students, note it down. Okay students. Now last question, 26 we will tell, 25 you have to do yourself. 25, 46 sorry, 26. 9x square minus x plus 15. 9x square minus x plus 15 and multiply, there is given x square minus x minus 1. Hope everyone done. Similar, 9x square, okay, multiply by x square minus x minus 1. X square minus x minus 1 minus x square minus x minus 1 plus 15 x square minus x minus 1. 9x square into x square, 9x power 4 minus 9x cube minus 9x square. X into x cube minus x square minus x plus 15x square minus 15x minus 15. Okay students, now open the bracket, 9x power 4 minus 9x cube minus 9x square minus x cube, sign will change, plus x square plus x plus sign will not change, minus 15x minus 15. We will see there, 9x power 4 9x cube minus 9x square minus x cube plus x square and plus x 50x square minus 15x minus 15. Yes, it is okay. Next to x power 4, we note down minus 9x cube, 1 is here and minus x cube. So minus 9x cube minus 1x cube or x cube minus 9x square plus x square plus 15x square. Okay, x plus x minus anyone, this is here x. No, plus minus 15x minus 15. Now we will check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, students. We also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9x power 4, same, minus 9 and plus minus 1. Minus 10x cube, we know that minus plus. Minus 9x square, 15 plus 1, 16, 16x square. 16x square plus minus 9x square in minus 16 minus 9 plus 7 because 16 is greater than minus 9 plus x minus 15x minus 14x minus 15. 9x power 4 adjusting we will write minus 9x cube and minus 1x cube. Minus plus 9 and 1, that is 10x cube. 15 and 1, 16, 16 minus 9, 7, plus sign, and x minus 15, 1x, and minus 15x, minus 14x, and minus 15. Put it down, students. I think there is question only 26 is the last question. So students, hope everyone understood. And this exercise also is completed. Only one question is left from 21 to 26, 25. So 25 you have to do yourself. Clear students? Now whatever we have told them, now you can do all sums. Clear? So this exercise is completed. The students, you will write on a notebook all whatever the exercise, whatever questions are given in 6B complete. Now we are just going to start next exercise 6C on next class. Students, till then, take care. Jai Hind, students.